This is the beginning of our Subway adventure. Subway adventure number 1.
Bitch, you guessed it!
Hey.
It burns. It burns.
It's 6:50.
It's currently 6:50.
Subway opens at 7.
So we got like 10 more
We're
minutes.
gonna play some zombies while we wait.
Like 10 minutes.
That's you.
Oh.
It's currently sunrise. I'll leave. It's almost 7 o'clock. About to get out of here.
Taking the dog out for a walk. On our way to Subway.
It's like 7 something.
Yeah. Okay, we're almost there.
We're almost there.
Rip. We're headed to Subway. Get some beat. I don't want a face reveal.
Already got in your face earlier.
We left the place, we destroyed a cup.
We're waiting for Dollar Tree to open.
Yeah. It's currently 7:51, they open at 8.
Yeah, so we got like 9 more minutes.
Yeah. Rip. That's littering.
Remember, kids.
Don't litter. Ah!
Hmm?
We're currently waiting, it's gonna be 5 minutes until they open. Do you have any public messages you would like to get out to the world?
Don't get AIDS.
Wise words. Buy a faggot. It's a beetle.
Damn, look at that thing.
Ah! Oh! Okay, this is the 1 minute mark. Note the gum on the floor and the cigarettes and the thing. Where are you going? Hey, Lamau, they open.
Oh man, I need this paper lantern.
These candles.
Whoa man, just dude, watch this, you ready?
They just smell so good.
I bet ass smells better. I love these things, dude. Buy now. These are supposedly soft fake oatmeal cookies. No. Dude, you can't do that. No. God. I don't know you.
What are we looking for?
Bleach. Not bad if I say so myself. It's pretty good. It's Fiji. I am Jesus Christ, your Lord and Savior.
Look at all this glass.
Oh man, I love communism.
Set to go.
Shut your bitch ass up!
We just left the store. We got, I don't know, wafers and some other stuff. Gum.
Couldn't buy sparklers.
We couldn't buy
though.
sparklers because we weren't over 18. Because apparently you need to be over 18 By sparklers.
Because apparently we're gonna blow up the fucking neighborhood.
Yeah. Sparklers.
Sparklers.
Yeah, with sparklers. We're on our way back. All the people are staring at us.
I think I'm gonna get raped.
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright, so we just came back from the store, played some zombies, got my cocaine. So man.
Heroin.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah. That's a wrap.
It's a wrap.
I'm down.